Biakwanu ka unu nụrụ mo update maka pasta anụnwa dị isi ka siti baskoro na-akọwakwa na pasta ji unu ụka ya wee merụ ọla tunde ọla n'iyi na ife ọ na-atụrụfa na otu amụ adịrọkwa ịka akọ na ife ọ na-agbafa na missionary journey na ọ dụghọkwa ịka aka ya abịakwa ka enu afa ndị akpọrọ ka ịma na ịma ndị afafa dịkwado na ya bụ ife wee na-akọwa na pasta afọ hokwa nwunye mmadụ hapụ ọ bụ nwa agbọghọ iwe ọ bụ ụmụazị iwe na ọ bụrụkwa na nwunye unu eje chọọchị a kpochakwa ya na nkọ ka ị jụọ ya ajụjụ ọ bụrụ na ọyi nwaanyị na-eje jụkwa ya ajụjụ ọ bụrụ na nwa unu na-eje na-enekwa ya ọfụma na-akọwa na pasta jikwa unu ụka ya wee na-emelụfa missionary journey one for the road n'oji otu amụ wee na-atụwusifa unu ya bịakwa ka unu n'afa ndị dị na ya bụ listi nke bụ na o nwere nwata nwaanyị na-agụ egwu n'ụlọ ụka ya na-atị na ọ na-agụ egwu wee dịka ma esichi inwe unu ya bịa ka unu n'ife ya bụ nwata nwaanyị kọrọ ka unu ka pasta anụnwa si wee na-eme pasta ife o mere ka gwọnkụ nke bụzi na-akọwa na ikpe pasta anụnwa gbasara ya bụ nwatakịrị dị 14 years ọ gbasa nsurugede na onye nke bụkwanụ IG of police na ọ na-achọ ka ọ marụ ka o ya esi wee mechi ya bụ okwu maka a na-akọwa na onye polisi anụnwa na pasta anụnwa bụkwanụ dadi GO ya unu ya gekwa ntị ka unu nụkwa voice onye polisi ka o si wee kpọọ nwatakịrị erubeghị ife eji nwaanyị eme na fonu wee na-agwa ya na pastọ gbara ya akwụkwọ na nke ndị uwe ojii amamakwụkwọ ife pastọ gbara ya na nke ndị uwe ojii na ọnọnya bụ nwatakịrị dakporo ya bụ pastọ n'ike ka ọnọnya bụ nwatakịrị makwere pastọ si ya na oya eme wee na-akọwa na onye nke bụ Chowere na ọbatagokwa na ya bụ okwu na ndị uwe ojii na-achọ ka fa ya eti wee mechi ya bụ okwu Chowere wee dachiri ebe ahụ na ọkwa ya kpatara na fa pinyebeghị ya bụ okwu bịakwanụ ka unu gere n'ọnụ ndị chọọchị membia na ife pasta na-eme ọ dịghọkwa otu ọ dịghọkwa ebuo na-asị ọ na-abụ na ya eje kpụrụ onye baba na-akpụ ya isi ọ pụbụ n'ụdị staịlụ isi ọ na-akpụ ya ka o ji wee na-akpụpụ ya akọ na uche ya unu makwa na onye nke bụ dadi GO fa ọ ga-akpatafa ya onye isi ndị ụka fa okwo ntu a ka isi ya dubu mgbe ahụ every year a na-etu ya onye oshi ọhụụ n'ihu akwụkwọ every year a na-asị na ọ na-atụrụ ndị celebrate otu amụ onte na okpuzi isi ya wee kpụọ iti mara na okwesị nsi ya ka isi ji wee ju ya oyi sinsi ya ka eji wee nụdebe afa ya n'ihu akwụkwọ ọ na-abụ na isi ya fa na-ebu n'isi na-emefa fa wee bụrụ Oladipo Olatunde nke bụ na fa ji chọọchị fa wee na-atụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị otu amụ bịanụ ka unu gerụkwa ma ndị nọ na di ma ụmụ agbọghọ ma ụmụazị onwekwo nke ọ fụrụ hapụ ndị mmadụ na-asị n'ọdụ ka ọgwụ ka o jife elekwa n'odu ka o jife eti oke ite na o jife elekwa ọtụmọmkpụ ya ka o wee na-egburu anyị abụrakata abụra cheri mama cheri o menyi ọkpa ya enu onye ọbụla adaa ofe aka ya onye ọbụla adaa ahịa mana ife alatalụ n'ọhụ otu amụ ọ tụtara ndị chọọchị ya n'ebe ahụ ka o si wee weta ike niile bịakwanụ ka unu gere n'ọgba ọgwọ m ụkọrọ alejedrio ife mfụkwa n'ihu akwụkwọ ka m wetara unu.
So many people knows what he is doing. As I am like this, if you listen to my music, you will think it's all these Mexican songs. And I don't want to live a life or have something that we have a record or maybe no, I don't want to have issue with anybody. So and my mom is aware, and my parents know the way they know my kind of my lifestyle and they know how I live my life. I'm this kind of person. I don't want problems to come anywhere. They will hear my name. I don't want that. So it's better I live quietly. The way, do you know that I never knew that something like this happened to you?
Okay, you don't know. I left quietly.
So that is what I want to do. I'm living there quietly. I don't want to do anything that they will mention my name. Him himself, he knows he's a bad person. And thank God, so many people charity, many people he slept people actually. They can't mention it.
Both married people.
Both married people. They even called Mommy Oyibo's name. That she's the regular one. That's why the woman doesn't want to get married. Get married to another husband. That is the regular one. He even was the one that built house for her. That did everything. Kiniko. They were just saying plenty rubbish. So many things I had.
But I tell you, even though he's not exposed, the case of God himself will expose him. And what I want to do, you have to engage such people that are rubbing the name of God in the mud. Because this is making people not even believe in pastors anymore.
Yes, now so.
You know, I've been at home, even the church to go. I don't want. Imagine, do you know, even laying hand on you alone. Do you know what? If not God and His mercy that is saving us.
Nobody know what is removing from somebody's
it's not just ordinary. I'm telling you what I know. I'm telling you the truth. I've gotten this revelation of this man since how many years ago, but I just remain there. You understand what I'm saying? Until God, his time has even come.
So that is just the thing. I don't want anybody, because I don't say you are the only one. Even Lizzie don't know this thing I'm talking about.
Jesus have mercy.
I didn't tell Lizzie. It is you. You are the only lady woman I've told something, and I don't want it to go anywhere. Let me just. I'm living quietly. Dalami is living quietly. Sabina is living quietly. Sabina said don't even come out.
Please. Oh, Sabina never try him.
No. She didn't know the kind of person Sabina doing now. So if they know people when they do that kind of thing, they get.
I'm telling you, those that have weak spirits.
Yes, like people that you feel that maybe they are scared, they don't want problem. So that is the people that you do things with.
This same Benedicta was one that interrogated the girl. The girl was living in fear. This girl is not up to 14 years old though. That girl just big for nothing. Eh?
He's well, he's well with us.
Please don't even try it. Because I'm already scared. When I say, hey, this girl with glory, and they fear.
No, not be me.
Okay.
No. I don't pass all those nonsense.
Okay.
All those nonsense. No, I don't pass them.
Okay.
Him Kumarin, they know. He knows now that there's something I saw that makes me to reject his.
Yes.
So I know what I am doing, and I just don't want to do it. Maybe somebody will hear my name quietly.
Okay.
Quietly, that is what I want to do. And I don't want you to tell anybody what I told you.
No, dear.
Okay, so I will just live quietly the way I am living. Dalami is living. Sabina is no longer there safe.
The church cannot stand. It will not stand. The Bible has already said it. Oh, that the wickedness of the wicked man should come to an end. It should not stand.
That boy is aware of everything this man is doing.
Is aware?
Shola, Shengu, AY, all of them, they are aware of all what he is doing.
But why are they not conniving with him?
Because he gives them money.
Oh Jesus. I know when my husband was angry, he forwarded the voice note to Shegun, threatening the man, because the man threatened me. I delivered a message to this man. I saw him from the beginning when Jesus was holding his hand and how he later left him. I delivered the message to him. He was now threatening me. This same Amos threatening me. So my husband became angry because my husband had been aware of all those his nonsense things. Come and give me food. All those nonsense saying now. So because of that, my husband said to this man, no, he will not go scot-free. He now forwarded the voice record. Shegun was not surprised. I think he was not aware of all this.
He knows. Who told you? He knows all what is happening. They knows all what, and I'm angry because they are Yoruba. I don't know Yoruba people like that.
I don't know.
All of them. So even Momiwedo, according to what they said, that his wife, his second wife, his first wife is back.
His mother.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you there. Take.
So when he now, I resisted, so he was like, okay, can I just give him? I said, give you what? He now said that he wants an intimacy with me, and I told him it's not going to work. I was very plain with him that it's not going to work. He said, why? He keep on disturbing me. To the extent, I don't know. I normally sing a poem, all these things to bring.
Yes.
So he told them to stop giving me mic in the church.
Jesus.
I should stop ministry. And I agreed. So one fateful day, my phone rang. He told me that he had administration, I should come and follow him. I have not even taken my bath. He's saying he's close to Uche Joshua. He doesn't know my house, and he has not come to our house.
Wait now. You try him. If I don't carry you, go.
Just listen to me now.
Jesus.
I now walk close, thinking that maybe I'm going to administration. Before you know it, say he sat down. We were going. He entered one lungu again. I said, where are we going? He said that I should not be scared. That when he now packed, he started pulling clothes. And I told him,
Amos,
what are you trying to do? He said yes, that he needs something. I told him that the only thing that will make you to succeed in what you are looking for, because I am very strong, I have strength.
God bless
you. Can't drag with me. Except you have weapon here that you can use, and that is when you have access to.
You told him like that?
Yes. Do you know what he did?
What did he do?
He dropped me down in the motor. He said I should leave his motor.
In that place, unknown place?
I don't know the place. It was a guy that helped me. I took motor with the last car that I have, 1.5. They brought me to Babalaga.
What are you saying?
So
Do you
I
tell
just,
that keyboardist?
he's aware now. He wanted to leave the church. I told him, don't do it like this. There are many ways to act.
Why
We'll
don't you
leave it
excuse
to
me, Miracle? Why don't you expose this man? Many souls
you.
are dying there.
There are so many women, even
Many
the one
souls.
I had,
Do you know
the
that
one
he
I
tried?
had
Wait, now
that.
he tried that. He wanted getting me, scattering my home, doing the same thing, until God disgraced him.
So
Oh God.
there are so many women there, mommy, so many women that even Agatha called, mommy, why are you with my husband? So many things. So me as I am like this, I'm not a troublesome person, and I don't want my name to be involved in anything because I have career. I know where I'm going to.
But I want to ask you, do you prefer souls? You have strong spirit, good and fine. You prefer souls? What of these small,
Hold on,
small girls?
let me call you back.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello. Good evening.
Sorry.
How are you?
Sorry, who is this?
I'm speaking from the area commander's office. We tried your number yesterday. There's a petition against you.
Okay,
We
sir.
tried your number yesterday. The number was not reachable.
Okay, sir.
So you are expected to call tomorrow by 11.
11. Okay, please wait. Can you speak to my mom?
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Just a minute.
Mm.
Just a minute, sir. Mommy! Sorry, you come and take off. This is a number from division. I should come. Hello?
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Right family.
Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Jerry. I'm speaking from the area commander's office.
Okay.
We called. There's a petition against your daughter. We called her yesterday. The number was not connecting at all.
Okay.
So we are expected to see her by 11 tomorrow,
The daughter?
so that we will meet with the area commander for interview.
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you, sir.